And the winner is Awakening.
Chapter 1. Awakening.
Click to continue! Alright there, Jesus.
Where's the movement?
Well, I don't... What am I movementing?
To the Devil's Tuning Fork, of course.
I can't...
The
Okay.
Devil's Tuning Fork.
Alright, I see ya.
This looks so weird.
Coming for you, Sonny Jim.
Tells you how to jump, you're gonna have to know how to jump.
That's not slightly disturbing at all.
It's right there.
So left mouse emits a sound wave.
You're gonna do like... That's kind of creepy looking.
Children will help you move further into the mansion. So in a mansion! So I guess I have to click so that I can see. Because it's pitch black. Hold the left mouse on the charger and release and emit a concentrated sound. At that?
Nice.
Beautiful. I see you. Come here, Sonny Jim. Right click to release a low frequency sound wave. Oh, that's much, much brighter. That doesn't last as long.
Yeah, I was about to say there's probably a downside to it.
Low frequency sound waves can detect unstable floor panels. So, come on.
Jump.
Oh,
If they have an X on there, unstable. Oh no. Oh no.
You're really great.
What's it?
are you kidding me right now? Jumpy platforms.
You're welcome.
So the way I've understood it, and you can try it out now if you'd like. Here, go on. Use left click to emit the high frequency sound waves, which can be used to hit the bells. And use right click to emit the low frequency sound waves, which are used to discover the hidden floor panels. Now, one of the interesting things about this game
I'm gonna
is
die.
the story. The story is, as I understand,
Oh,
some sort
go
of...
this way?
No, you gotta turn around. That's an elevator that you tried to get smushed by. Anyway, the story is these kids are affected by some sort of mental illness or something like that.
Oh, I see.
And they're in a state of sleep, and by collecting the stuffed animals pretending to be children, you save them and bring them back from whatever slumber they're in. Now, by now you can probably see why there is a seizure warning at the beginning of this video. It does feature a lot of odd patterns and flashing lights.
It's
Part of the game, we can't change anything about it.
Is there a shooty thingy?
This game, by the way, is absolutely free, and I will post a link in the description of the video where you can get this game if you are at all interested in it. I know I might not make it seem very interesting, and I know he doesn't make it seem very interesting, because let's face it, you're blonde. You might actually get quite a bit of fun out of this game. It's a very, very well-made puzzle game.
Which one's a mirror?
That looks like a mirror.
Oh.
Boing! You missed. It did that.
You heard it reflect.
There you go. Hit the gong. Get it right in the middle. There you go.
Can I run?
No.
Oh,
Alright.
I died.
You done. Alright. I think that's going to be the end of this video. I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys. There is so much more hidden inside this game. It is just a gem. It is absolutely amazing.
Is it like sliding floor?
No, it's a drop-off. You fool.
What? Look, it's sliding. Cause watch. Are we like running?
No.
It's
The other lines, they move. It's disorienting, so you're not moving. Crazy, isn't it?
I'm gonna go to bed.
We're gonna get off now. You guys all enjoy the rest of your days and or nights, depending on when you watch this video. We will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Say goodbye.
Nope.
Okay.
Nope.
Thanks.
Wait for me to say. Let's say goodbye. I ain't gonna say goodbye.